Welcome back to my channel. Way too much in you guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming notification. So this video is going to be very interesting. As you can see, I'm using an iPad. So the topic of the video is how to update your DigiShipping profile from an iPhone or an iPad. Basically, a lot of seafarer are using iPhone or iPad, so they are facing this problem. As you guys know, Mozilla Firefox is the recommended for edit your seafarer profile or update your seafarer profile, whatever you can say. So I will install the Mozilla Firefox and I'll show you. But also from the Mozilla Firefox from iPad and or the iPhone, you cannot update the profile. So there is a special browser for it. At last I'll show you the browser, and obviously you need to change some setting from the browser, then only you can update your profile. Okay, so please stay tuned till last to know more. So I'll go to the setting first and I'll show you general. Okay, so this is the iPad 7 generation software version 14.4. okay, so this is an iPad. So now go to the App Store. I will quickly install Firefox to show you, just few moments. Okay, just I'm installing the Firefox very quickly, so let it install. So really it is a big problem in on the go. Suppose you don't have your laptop with you, you have the Android phone, or suppose then you can do. But if suppose you're an iPhone user or you're having an iPad, so it is very difficult. People used to carry nowadays a lot of iPads to substitute their laptops. Laptops are big and iPad are so much compatible or compact, you can say. But if you cannot update your profile as a seafarer, then it's a big problem. So okay, now the browser I can open it. So okay, let it be DigiShipping, right? Okay, DigiShipping, fine. Okay, the e-governance. I'll go to the e-governance quickly. Okay, I'll put my credentials over here very quickly. Especially for a seafarer, the examination tab as well as the update seafarer profile, these two tabs are very important. Okay, so this is my profile. As you can click on the update seafarer profile, you can see same as it is. You cannot do anything. You go to the examination also, same problem. Okay, so I'll show you the browser, but don't go after watch the browser because you have to change lot of settings from the browser, and I will show you. The browser name is Sleipnir, not Sleep, SLEIPNIR. Sleipnir mobile. Just download it. Let it download first. It's very small browser, I guess. Okay, 23 MB already installed. Fine. So just give the permissions. As it is Apple product, no issue related to the security. So just search bar, go and type DigiShipping. Fast browser also. So e-governance, click over that. Okay, fine. And e-governance, click. Now okay, so okay, my credentials are already saved, that is fine. So now I'll show you. If I click update seafarer profile, you can see there is nothing. Okay, same. Don't get worried, I have to change some settings and it will work. Okay, fine. So the setting is like that. Just click over right hand corner this arrow, go to this setting gear icon, extreme left corner of the tab, and now just go to display web page as. Just click customize. Now click user agent. Okay, so sort of agents are there, or browser type is there. I will tell you Firefox 69.0 Mac, Firefox 23.0 Windows, and Internet Explorer 10.0. These three will work with it. So better I will recommend Firefox 23.0 Windows. Just click over here, select and back, again back, done. Now let me click examination. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, it is working. Examination is fine working. Okay, back. Again I will click on the update seafarer profile. See, it is working. Everything is working, right? So you can take printout also. Everything you can do. So no issue. So I guess I've understood this video, that how to do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up and keep supporting me like that. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.